Sis, pwede magpa-picture?
Ganda. Andito kami ngayon sa Atlee Chow. Bye. Andito na kami guys. Sasakay na kami.
Ayan pala yung jambot ni Astor.
Ito?
Oo, ayan.
Malaki-laki naman ah. Yung dati. Malaki ba yan?
Wala namang jambot dati yun eh.
Ah, wala ba? Ano sinakin nyo?
Sa Repulse Bay lang yun. Ano,
Ah.
parang jet ski lang yun. Yung parang yate.
Ah.
Maliit.
Yes.
Let's go! Let's go! One liter head!
Sorry. Sa taas? Okay. Sa taas daw kami. Let's go. Let me walk. Sa taas kami guys. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Bawal ba?
Ayaw ko dito. Ayaw ko.
Bakit?
Del.
Nahihilo guro siya. Nahilo ka? Pangit? Ganda nga.
What she said?
Sa baba daw.
Want to be here. She want to go down. Oh, because she afraid to hide. She said so many people. Okay, thank you.
I don't know.
Ay. Kasi tanong pa lang natin yung ganda. Bato ah.
Now I see your broken feather. We can pass it out together. She did not know my love. All the hands on the floor and touching me. You'll be dancing once again, and the pain will end. You will have no time for me, man. She did not know my love. But the sun is good, the sun is shining on you. She made every sing a song like a dear before. Singing you such a deep try once more like I did before. Singing you such a deep so the walls keep tumbling down, and your love's out for the I can say it's too hard to remember. Chiquitina, come in my road. There is no way you can deny it. I see that you're all so sexy for me. Chiquitina, you are all the hearts that they pull us apart and leave it. You'll be dancing once again, and the pain will end. You will have no time for me. Chiquitina, you are right, but the sun is still shining on you. Let me hear you sing my song like you did before. Singing you such a chiquitina. Try once more like you did before. Singing you such a chiquitina. Try once more like you did before. Singing you such a chiquitina.
Yawat guys. Bye. It's okay lah. Oy, okay lah. Hindi naman sila mano eh. Dito nga, jump na kayo. Hoy, bilisan nyo kayo, mag-video pa ako doon. Ito yung South Bay Beach, guys. Yan. At Ito yung papuntang Godzilla. Diyan kami, nilalangoy namin yun dati guys. Ito yung Godzilla. Diyan. Ito naman yung Ripples Bay. Yan. Ito naman yung Ripples Bay. Yan, Ripples Bay. O, di ba magkalapit lang. Then, yan naman yung Ocean Park. Yan. O, di ba? Diyan nagra-rides ako dati. At ito yung yan, cable car. Yan, cable car siya. Yan, mga yan, cable car yan siya guys. Lords ba? Wait. Mukhang ito dito sila nagbabarbecue. Ano? May sinasabi eh. Ouch! Guys, nalulula talaga ako kanina pa. Nalulula talaga ako kanina pa. Bye! Bye-bye! Naglawat po guys, grabe. Bye! Grabe, ang bilis naman niya oh. Nililipad na ata niya oh. Ito yung binaha guys. Binaha kami guys. Ayan. Dito kami guys. Yan siya.
Hold on.
Hold on. Okay. Wow! Yung binagyo, pinasok ng tubig. Yan siya. Yan. Bakit ano?
you know? After we come back, right? She want to give me 200. I bring her in the go to the white stone in the Tulung Chao. The two Filipino following me. After we come back, right? Emma, I give you money for what? I pay you hiking. She doesn't. How much if you join your hiking?
You charge the 500 na, Emma. Charge the 500.
Oh, thank you so much, everyone. It was a beautiful day, everyone. See you next time. Double check your things. How's Rio?